You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Fast rising Yoruba actress Ayonimofe Onibiyu aka Aolat has acquired a ₦5.5 million SUV regardless of the coronavirus pandemic destroying the world's economy. The beautiful mother of one got herself a Toyota Venza. As indicated by reports, in May 2020, she paid for the car in full, but the car arrived last week. Thanks to her Instagram page, the actress wrote,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.